Hi, I'm Michaela Pavlat, cultural interpreter here at the National Museum of the American Indian. I'm happy to share we are safely opening our museum here on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. The National Museum of the American Indian is still free to visit, but we are limiting the number of guests to maintain best practices for social distancing. Before you visit the museum, you will need a free timed ticket for each visitor in your group. Tickets are available on our website.
We made some changes to provide a safe experience for our visitors and staff, but we still need your help. If you're sick, please stay home. In the museum, please maintain a social distancing 6 feet from others not in your group. Visit our website for the latest mask policies. Our staff will be on site cleaning door handles and other high-touch surfaces on a regular basis.
Once you are here, we invite you to explore the museum's unique architecture and native landscape, and the rich, complex, dynamic histories and cultures of Indigenous peoples throughout the Western Hemisphere. In advance of your visit, you can download the museum's floor map and self-guide from our website. We have closed a few of our smaller exhibitions and spaces where we can't maintain social distancing guidelines, so please check our website before you visit for those details.
We want to thank all our friends, fans, and members whose encouragement and support have helped us keep us on a path to success. Again, be sure to check our website before your visit for details and the most up-to-date information.
Thank you for following these important guidelines on behalf of our staff and other visitors. We can't wait to welcome you back when you are ready to visit.